Kicheng sing nili Junali Timungpi kat news kelang arado anapan nili ningkang sama kardom pajeriklo kardom lapen pini labang so chu chipoda jai mekalong nang chiton dundo laki Miss ZKYF Borjan pen sangpi binati sopi pen joining tikathara sopi sami rengseng intikatharpi lasi alang lihen lo rengseng intikatharpi non het jong Miss ZKYF Borjan pen chipalong apang philo lasi rengseng nangli labang so title Miss ZKYF Borjan pen chipahai pondet pen nangli ning kusona nangli ning chimatha pon
Fransi ke la solam thinangkar jupot ni churoigla nili la so title Miss ZKYF Borjan 2019 kilong ke ining sampikla la pening arong pik inke chipudik the mane kwal ne ning karong mane ni 2018 nong Miss Borjan nong ni chipate dun stani hulaso ahut bangke haidun dedet lo stani pining jo 2019 along chipate dun thu la pen hai pon chilo ning arong pik lo ne ba
la siputho alang li pen chini pon thulo ilitum alang li surihini ra krener cap aningkan ta chipate dun lo Borjan Miss ZKYF long chipate dun pen alang li halaso bangke haidunu ne de lobon setame pining alang li sang se pin pe alang li ning chipa bibe pin pen alang li puthot surihini ra kreser cap aningkan alang li puthot alang li Miss ZKYF Borjan along ko chipate dun thusi alang li pininga bangke winner mate title Miss ZKYF title chipalong ponola si alang li phan choro pik nang ji alang li la puson ning chipa bibe pen alang li puthot ning chipa the pen alang li puthot Miss ZKYF along chipate dun pot la si ZKYF pu det delo atata sai stame nili than poning tung idip pen un edet pole sangkok akam kali nangli ako sang sepin pen nangli ning chipa the ning chipa bibe pin pen ako puthot nangli la so sai nangli chiklem thumi la si chorolo alangli phan la puson alangli ning ki the la pen ning chipa bibe pin pen la pon alangli chipa duk the kapot la si puthot alangli pen chini pon thulo nang alangli kaya lamo la si nangli thek pen nangli kaya lamo a sabso estame nangli rada phan pachini jima
chipachini ji I live in Morsugiling, that is in Hidipi. In our family, we have 5 members, which include my mom and dad, and my elder sister, and my small brother. I studied in St. Thomas English High School, and now I'm studying in pursuing my second year in Greenville Junior College, that is in Sukhanjan. I choose the streams art from. Before I didn't know that I would be pursuing the titles of Miss ZKYF 2019 of Borjan. I'm so happy and I'm so glad to be here with you all guys. First of all, by the way, I would like to thank the CAD News channels for inviting me here and giving me this beautiful opportunity to be here speaking about my biodata. I'm not so good, but still then my mom and dad are so proud of me today. Even though I do silly things and all with them, but still then they are so proud of me.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Lasi nangli alang li long pen chini pon thulo alang li pe alang li po alang li long ko ani ning ka chi thepen alang li ning ka along ka chi don dun the kapot alang li tum han ta churu pon thulo lasi puthot nang li pe nang li po nang li ning ka along nang chi don dun thek pen nang li labang so Miss Junali Youth Festival lasi nang li labang so Junali Youth Festival long Miss Borjan ZKYF chi palong dun the kapot lapen nang li la so title long det pen nang li puthot akang tu yang deng phan kimatha pon thu do ma
matha pon non kibangji Miss KYF 2020 long chipati dun je phan jongsi aponang chidon dun bute chipati dun ekji athemate ni second year exam ta February ahuse dukok ta thek mo apor bang nang chidon dun bute chipati dun ji puse ining ke matha do
la si alang li pen chini pon thulo alang li long apor pen chiton dun polote alang li puthot Miss KYF 2020 along alang li chipate dun ji po alang li ning hang la se alang li phan churu pik nang ji la puson alang li sang sedet men alang li putot akang tui ang deng upon alang li akemang pado pon tua pot lasi alang li pan churolo lasi putot ilitum chitan pon tulo nang li pe nang li po nang li pan nang li long nang chidon dun lapen nang li ning kang along nang pa pleng dun theka pot lasi alang li tum nang li long la po an nang chidon dun thek pen nang li non la po an nang deng nang le lo lasi non akang tu ang deng tan nang li ako kemang pado pon tu lasi non chitan pon tulo nang women empowerment di lasi nang women empowerment la so women when you heard about the women empowerment what do you think first of all what come in your mind
when we think about women empowerment, first of all, we all think about the right of the woman for living their own lifestyle.
Okay.
Some of the people they think that having a daughter is a bad luck for them, but still then now we have come across from that stage and now we are in this present stage that now a girls can also participate in the competitions and do whatever they want, and I feel like it is good things now. Women are also coming up.
Yes.
Yeah, and I'm too glad that people recognize their mistakes and they come up and they treated girl child as compared with the boys and make them do whatever they want.
Nila ko lang lipan arjupon tupo nang lilabang so pini labang so Miss ZKYF Borjan along pen chipalong along nang li kumat matan si choro daming tung
aprang sige nilipai nilipo tahan choro daming tung ni li long nang kachidondo pot ni 2018 long rem desata pining ta nang kachidondo ni chipati dun pan chidon pan choro parpik lo from nang kalai dun hai pen inke apart from a moment that I would like to thank my elder sisters, Ms. Rasingjang Tikatarpi, who supported me in every aspect, and obviously there are friends like who has won 2019 Miss KYF, that is Kajurbon. She too helped us she to help us in every aspect, like walking. She told us how to walk in the stage, and obviously that the person who helped Miss Kajurbon in preparing that for Miss KYF 2019, she also helped us. That is Miss Rengkai Rongpipi.
Okay.
Yeah. And obviously I want to thank from the cases unit which I belong, that is Owi Chingri. I have been participating from that group in the one, so I'm so happy.
Okay. Nasi alang li hancuro po nangji alang li metang jutang jubat alang li jinghona bang pibiritum ladak pen chini damlong lo alang li aningkan wang sitami alang li labang so cases along alang li chirap chito dun bom lapen alang li Charlie dun bom alang li tumlong pe alang li Charlie dun bom lasi alang li pan bihek pen sitami alang li lapuson jutang jubat kaching hontek alang li lapuson ningkang tek lapot alang li pan aku putot churu pon tunangji. So Miss Reng Singh, we are glad to have you here today and wish you a good luck.
Thank you.
Lasi pini chuchi poda jai mek bangke lapon sekang ton po iklo lang ibom thakat news channel dome thak mi kurwang tu